Now's a good time of the year to be out and checking your ornamentals for overwintering insects, such as scale, for example. Here on this euonymus, we have a real severe infestation of the scale insect, and the euonymus is a plant that is extremely susceptible to scale. Now, scale is an insect that's soft-bodied and builds up in very quickly in rapid numbers on the plant. And it is one of those insects that, if left unchecked, won't just go away, continues to build up. The telltale signs of scale are a weak, unthrifty-looking plant, and then a very scaly, hard, rough appearance to the bark where there's been a heavy infestation of it, in addition to the soft-bodied white insect that you may see on the leaves and on the stem. Now, all the euonymus, and particularly evergreen euonymus, as I mentioned, is very susceptible to scale. This is one insect, as I mentioned, that you don't want to leave unchecked. You want to go ahead and control it. A good control measure on scale right now is to use a dormant oil spray that would be applied on sunny days when the temperature is going to be 40 or above, or you can wait until early in the summer when the insects begin to feed and use malathion, but I prefer to use the dormant spray now. Scale is one insect that, when it does build up in proportions, will weaken the plant to the point to where this plant will be more susceptible then to other diseases and insects, may also be more susceptible to winter injury, and could in fact cause the death of your plants. So go out and check around your landscaped area, look at all of your ornamentals for any of the overwintering insects, but particularly for scale.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.